Hi, my name is Corinna Hernandez with Pony Education, and I'm going to be doing a blunt bangs and long layers demo on my model Cat. I'm going to be giving Cat a baby bang and a long layer with a creative approach. Cat's hair is color treated, fine, naturally straight, dense, and it has a tendency to get tangled easily, so I want to make sure that I am very careful and I'm not tangling her hair as I work through my cut. The look I'm going for today is a bold, blunt bang that is short, which we call a baby bang, and I also want to lighten up the weight of her hair because it does sit very heavy and small to the head, and I want to create volume. One of the things I noticed about Cat is her beautiful eyebrows. I'd love to create a frame that draws attention to her eyes. As I'm looking for her bang section, I'm noticing her cowlicks and taking notes on how they move and how they grow. I will also be talking to Cat about how to control her cowlicks and how to style her new bangs. When you're looking for your client's natural bang section, just cut the hair that lives in between the eyebrows. You're looking for hair that you're not having to over-direct to the center. This hair just naturally falls there, and this is the hair that you want to cut. Also, it's important to comb the hair at natural fall. I'm choosing to cut Cat's bangs straight across, and I'm going to elevate and use my scissors, and I'm going to cut just past my desired length to give it room to jump up. After I'm done cutting my bangs, I like to check my work and refine it before I move on to the rest of the haircut, just to make sure that they look great. I'm going to be switching to my razor, so I'll wet down the hair and start in the back. I want to keep in mind that I want to break up the weight so she gets more volume and movement, but still creating a line. My goal is to break up the density and add movement and volume, and also to refresh her ends. I'm beginning my weight removal a couple inches from her scalp, and I'm going to be using a large stroke for the length. I'm always thinking about maintaining balance on each side, not only with the length, but also with the weight removal. As I go along, I'll add product so that by the time I'm done cutting, I can see how my cut is performing. As I move to the front, I'll use a guide from the back to cut my line straight across. I'm almost done with this cut, but before I finish, I'd like to go through and lighten up heavy areas without layering or taking away from the look, which is bangs with long hair and volume in the crown. I'm noticing she could use a bit more lightness in her crown and the sides over the ears. You'll see that my razor technique for weight removal is feathery so that it just disappears when it falls. It shouldn't be visible. I'm going to be adding one more quick connection from the bangs to the crown just to add a bit more layering and more movement. Now I'll use my scissors to cut off anything that looks too feathery and light. This is to refine my cut before I style it. I'm going to use my blow dryer and my flat brush to smooth out the ends. I would like to mention some of these techniques don't work on all hair types. It's always based on suitability and what the hair can handle. I love this change on her. I'm very happy with the attention the bangs draw to her eyes. It's very suitable. She looks great. For more information, visit ponyeducation.com.